In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip emotes in TF2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Emotes, also known as taunts in TF2, can be equipped by going over to the screen of any of the classes. So all that you have to do is press M on your keyboard if you are already inside of a game, or just open up the loadout screen. When you reach a loadout for a specific class, all that you have to do is switch over from this little inventory icon that allows you to change your weapons and your cosmetics to this little real icon. And when you click on this, you will be able to change the taunts instead. So as you can see, you have 8 slots for taunts or emotes. All that you have to do is click on any of these and select the specific one that you would like to equip. Most of them are going to be tradable items, or you can purchase them from the Manco store. And as long as you acquire them as an item, you will be able to equip them. So as you can see, this is the only one that I have, the Director's Vision. So just go ahead and equip them. You can make different loadouts A, B, C, and D, but for this video I'm keeping it simple and I'm only going to use this one. Once you have equipped all of the emotes here, they also include this tip. Hit G to bring up the in-game taunt HUD. So this is going to be the default key for you to use the emotes. You can press G and then choose the specific one that you have equipped. So the ones that you equipped are going to be 1 through 8 on the numerical keys, and you just have to press a respective button. So this emote I have here equipped can be used by pressing 1. Of course, if you just press G again, or if you don't have anything equipped, you will just do the standard taunt with your weapon. Some of them are going to have taunt kills, and some of them have different animations like this one between my melee and my rocket launcher. But this is all you have to do. Open the loadout, switch over to this icon, and you will be able to equip emotes freely. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip emotes in Team Fortress 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.